Hi my dear friends, welcome to quiz number 8. Friends, hope you all are enjoying the quiz and thank you for encouraging me and supporting me. Without making much delay, let's get into the first question of the day, friends. Friends, you all might have heard about a scheme, Amrit scheme, right? So, the question goes like this and it is related to Amrit scheme. What does the abbreviation Amrit stands in Amrit scheme? I repeat, what does the abbreviation Amrit, A-M-R-U-T, A-M-R-U-T, Amrit stands in Amrit scheme? Hope you got the answer. Friends, Amrit stands for Atal Mission for Rejuvenation and Urban Transformation. I repeat, Amrit stands for Atal Mission for Rejuvenation and Urban Transformation. So question number 2 is also related to this scheme, friends. When was this Amrit scheme was launched? I repeat the question. When was this Amrit scheme was launched? Hope you got the answer. Answer 2015. 2015. Friends, this scheme, Amrit scheme, which is the abbreviation stands Atal Mission for Rejuvenation and Urban Transformation, Amrit, was launched by Prime Minister Narendra Modi in the month of June in 2015. The main intention of this scheme is to establish infrastructure and ensure adequate sewage network and water supply in the urban areas, friends. So the main purpose is to look into the infrastructure, sewage infrastructure and supply drinking water too, water supply. So question number 3 also related to this, friends. According to the latest rankings of implementation of Amrit scheme, which Indian state won first rank? So this particular Indian state implemented the Amrit scheme perfectly, friends. Hope you got the answer. You have identified the state which stood first rank in implementing Amrit scheme. Answer, Odisha. Odisha took the first rank. Friends, question number 4. Who launched Swachh Bharat Mission Academy? I repeat the question. Who launched the Swachh Bharat Mission Academy? I repeat the question. Who launched the Swachh Bharat Mission Academy? Answer, Union Minister for Jal Shakti, Sri Gajendra Singh Shekhawat. So, Sri Gajendra Singh Shekhawat launched the scheme, the program, virtual program, Swachh Bharat Mission Academy, friends. Question number 5. Which country has claimed that it has developed vaccine for COVID-19? Recently, just day before yesterday, which country claimed that it has developed for the first time? Because many countries are trying developing vaccines, but this country already said that the vaccine is ready. And I'll give the clue. This country's president gave the first set of vaccine shots to his daughter too. Hope you got the answer. Russia. Russia claimed that it developed vaccine for COVID-19. Now, who is the present president of Russia? Very easy question, friends. Who is the present president of Russia? Answer, Vladimir Putin. Putin is the present president of Russia. Vladimir V. Putin is the present president of Russia. Question number 7, friends. Who has been recently elected as president of Belarus? I repeat the question. Who has been recently elected as president of Belarus? Hope you got the answer correct. Answer, Alexander Lukashenko. I repeat, Alexander Lukashenko is the newly elected president of Belarus, friends. Friends, he is currently working 6th time, friends. He has been winning continuously. Now he took the post of the president 6th time. Question number 8, friends. What is India's first private aerospace company? Name India's first private aerospace company. Very important question, friends. India's first, you have to name India's first private aerospace company. Hope you got the answer correct. Answer, Skyroot Aerospace Company. I repeat, Skyroot Aerospace Company is India's first private aerospace company. Question number 9. What is the name of the upper stage rocket engine launched by Skyroot Aerospace Company? I repeat, what is the name of the upper stage rocket engine launched by Skyroot Aerospace Company? Answer, Raman. It is in the honor of C.V. Raman, the India's great scientist C.V. Raman. This engine, upper stage engine, rocket engine was named as Raman, friends. Question number 10, friends. Where is the headquarters of Skyroot Aerospace Company is located? I repeat, where is the headquarters of Skyroot Aerospace Company is located? It is in South India, friends. Hope you all know the answer. Answer, Hyderabad. Question number 11. Name the founders of Skyroot Aerospace Company. I repeat, name the founders of Skyroot Aerospace Company. Two founders, friends. They both are scientists in ISRO previously, and they started this Skyroot Aerospace Company. The founders are Sri Pawan Kumar Chandana and Nagabharat Dhaka. I repeat, Sri Pawan Kumar Chandana and Nagabharat Dhaka are the two founders of Skyroot Aerospace Company, India's first private aerospace company. Question number 12 goes like this, friends. Which country successfully test-fired its Arrow 2 ballistic missiles? Which country successfully test-fired its Arrow 2 ballistic missile interceptors recently? I repeat the question. Which country successfully test-fired its Arrow 2 ballistic missile interceptors recently? Answer, Israel. Question number 13 goes like this, friends. Name the present Prime Minister of Israel. I repeat, name the present Prime Minister of Israel. Hope you all know the answer. This being an easy question, you can guess it correctly. Benjamin Netanyahu. Benjamin Netanyahu is the present Prime Minister of Israel. Question number 14 goes like this, friends. What is the capital city of Israel? Jerusalem. Very easy question. What is the capital city of Israel? Answer, Jerusalem. Question number 15 goes like this. Which day is celebrated as World Organ Donation Day? I repeat the question. Which day is celebrated as World Organ Donation Day? So, on which day we celebrate World Organ Donation Day? Answer, 13th August. 13th August. We celebrate World Organ Donation Day. Question number 15 goes like this, friends. Which Indian state has launched Karmasati Prakalpa? I repeat the question. Which Indian state has launched Karmasati Prakalpa? Answer, West Bengal. So the main purpose of this Karmasati Prakalpa is to give small loans to small unemployed persons or any small workers, small business people, so that they can stand on their own legs, to empower economically, to bring them economic independence. This scheme Karmasati Prakalpa focuses, friends. Question number 17 goes like this. Which Indian state has launched YSR Cheyuta scheme? I repeat, which Indian state has launched YSR Cheyuta scheme? Answer, Andhra Pradesh, friends. Andhra Pradesh launched the scheme YSR Cheyuta scheme. So in this scheme, every year 18,750 rupees, I repeat, 18,750 rupees will be given to women between the ages of 45 to 60 years, friend. in SC, BC, ST category women, minority group of women, this will be given, this scheme. So they should be between the age 45 to 60, friends. So every year they will be getting 18,750 rupees, friends. Question number 18 goes like this, friends. Who directed the movie? You all know this very easy question. Gunjan Saxena, the Kargil girl. I repeat, who directed the movie Gunjan Saxena, the Kargil girl? I repeat, who directed the movie Gunjan Saxena, the Kargil girl? Answer, Sharan Sharma. Sharan Sharma directed the movie Gunjan Saxena, the Kargil girl. Question number 19 goes like this, friends. This is also related to the movie only. Who played the lead role in the movie Gunjan Saxena, the Kargil girl? I repeat the question. Who played the lead role in the movie Gunjan Saxena, the Kargil girl? Answer, Janhvi Kapoor. Janhvi Kapoor played the lead role, friends. Question number 20, last question of this quiz, friends. Where is the prestigious Lal Bahadur Shastri National Academy of Administration located? I repeat, where is the prestigious Lal Bahadur Shastri National Academy of Administration located? It is, for many of us, many of you, it is a dream place, because after getting into civils, you will be given training here, friends. All the IAS officers will be given training here. Answer, Mussoorie, Uttarakhand. Friends, that's all for today. Hope you enjoyed this quiz. Please do mention your score in the comment section, and any suggestions or advices, please do give that and try to implement them too. So wishing you great success in all your endeavors. This is Durga Regunta signing off. Thank you, friends.